Well, ito additional lang about the group na gumawa ng Privacy is a Right. Kung makikita natin, mayroong isang tricky part doon when the friend of the protagonist was actually telling the three antagonists kung ano yung crime na possible nilang magawa sa pagbully nila dun sa kanilang classmate. When that friend is telling the Bill of Rights na these three guys are violating, hindi niya ito sinasabi ng diretso sa audience. She's telling this Bill of Rights, Section 3 of Article 3, directly to the characters. So hindi siya nagmukhang preachy kasi hindi siya nagsasalita like a host of the show sa harap ng audience. Hindi kagaya ng mga ibang mga presentation na talagang may host nagna-narrate nung what you are about to see. And then may conclusion din sa ending. So iyon yung tricky part. Pero lumusot yon. Kasi kahit niya dinidiscuss yung Bill of Rights na yon, na Section 3 of Article 3, ay bilang isang character, bilang isang part ng show, nung story, hindi bilang isang host ng show. So, tricky yon, pero lusot yon. Hindi yun pwedeng maging issue na kagaya ng in the middle of the presentation, may papasok na texts tungkol sa Bill of Rights. Ina-explain kung ano yung ginawa nila, kung ano yung crime nila. Iba yon. So, iba yun. Ibang-iba yung dalawang yan. Okay?